Oh yeah, we're back again for the third video in a row. Like, we are unstoppable. Bam! 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 What's next? Wow! 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 Freeze! Let me sleep now. And we wake up. Bam! 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 What just happened? Bam! 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 Oh, we're back in this house. We're sucking the mouse. Suck my toe. Suck my toe. I'm back. It's me. Impossible me. Impossible me. You suck my toe. Oh, ha. Oh, yeah. What? I got something. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, huh. Yeah. Wow. Wait. Instance coming in. Wow. Instance. What just happened? Oh, Spider. Kiss me goodbye, cause I'm leaving. Down. See, this is the Andre. He's the best. You can't beat him on the rest. I am unstoppable. So is he. You can see it's on the street bound for me. I am unstoppable. I'm your mom. I beat you with a mirror, then I call Ramadan. I make you cry. You see the tears? I kiss you goodbye with the lips of fear. Goodbye. We're out of here. I see your mom. Suck it there. Oh my God. You suck the weed. You could suck the teeth, but you could suck the weed. Wow. And we're out of here.